Sanibonani, molweni, dumelanga, busheni, wherever you are, welcome back to yet another vlog. And as you can see, the setup is completely different. For the past few videos, I've been posting a few vlogs, and by now you would have seen that I started a new series called Fashion for Beginners. And what the series is about is basically navigating my style again, starting from scratch. I haven't done a style reset in a while, and I thought this year's the year to basically rebrand, style wise, that is. And definitely, you know me, I don't like to spend a lot of money, especially on clothes. So basically this series is basically how to rebrand, how to navigate or find your style on a budget. So in the previous videos, you would have seen that I have done a closet clean out, and I did a mood board basically on how I would love to essentially dress, the aesthetic that I'm trying to go for. And in today's video, you'll basically see the pieces that I've bought from Shein, Mr. Price, and as well as H&M. It's not a lot of items, it's items that I can pair with things that I already have in my closet. And the whole point of this series is to clean out things that I no longer wear, and buy new things that will intertwine with my existing closet. So with that being said, guys, let me not delay you guys any longer. Let's start this fashion haul. If you know me, you know I am a accessories, I am a footwear girly. I love shoes, I love accessories, I love bags, I love earrings. And I saw everyone wearing these pumps, and I was like, oh, do I really want to fall to the trend? And you know what? I fell 6 feet under, and I got them. So because I basically needed like an everyday staple shoe, and I basically got this. And you know, these are dupes. I forgot the high-end brand, the name of it, but I'll insert it in the video below. How stunning are these? And I've worn these already. I've worn them a couple of times. And one thing I love about these is basically the square shape at the front. And I know the popular one right now is the one with the round front. And I love the fact that this one is more square. I love how comfortable these shoes are. At first they were quite tight, but the more I wore them, the more comfortable they became. And these are definitely a must-have to build a wardrobe. You can wear this with a dress, you can wear this with a nice chino pants, and with your nice white shirt. You can dress this up, you can dress this down, you can run errands with it, you can look cute and go to lunch with these shoes. I think these are going to be my favorite shoes. Yeah, these are going to be my favorite shoes, definitely. And the second pair of shoes that I got were these amazing shoes. So with these amazing shoes from H&M, I definitely love these shoes. They are so soft, they're so comfortable. You can wear these with a pair of jeans, your nice shirt or a nice top, and you can have like a simple basic outfit and then have these shoes as like statement shoes. I essentially saw these shoes from two people on Instagram, and they basically influenced me to get these, and I was like, I definitely need these shoes. I'll tag the two ladies on the screen. And if you are trying to build a capsule wardrobe, you're trying to build a wardrobe that's more fun, playful, then this is definitely your girl. And I was sick and tired, man, of like your plain basic ass shoes. I wanted shoes with detail, shoes with a bit of character, just to zhuzh up my outfit, because my everyday wardrobe is quite simple, minimalistic. So I'm trying to change that as well. So basically that is why I got these beautiful babes, so that I can have a bit of character when it comes to shoes, so that when I step into a room, you can see my Sana, she's not here to play, okay? And then I also got these ones from Ayana. As you can see, I've been abusing these babes. I have been abusing them, and these were, I think, 300 rand. I'll insert all the prices of the items on the screen. And these are comfortable, these are nice for winter, especially now in winter, especially as well as these mules as well. I don't know, but I'm a mule girl these days. I love mules. They are just quick, they're easy, it's just grab, slide and go, you know. And these I got from Ayana. They're quite comfortable as well. As you can see, I've been wearing them. I've been abusing these babes. I have been wearing them because what? It's my money, okay? Okay, cool. The next pair of shoes that I'll be showing you guys is basically my loafers. I've abused these babies as well. As you can see, I love shoes with a bit of drama, with a bit of cuteness, with a bit of difference when it comes to detail. This has like a heart-shaped trim. I love that so much, because as much as it's like a simple shoe, this trim gives it a bit of interesting detail, a bit of drama. These are staples. If you know me, you know I'm a simple girl. My wardrobe is very minimal. Your browns, your blacks, your whites, that's my wardrobe. And I always try to find shoes with a bit of a difference. Okay, and so I basically got those loafers, basically got those loafers from Legit, and it was inside the Edgar store. So if you've got time, just check out Legit and check out Edgar's. They always have like some nice cute gems. So moving on, guys, to my heels. I love heels, but unfortunately I cannot wear heels at work, so I opted for this small Ayana kitten heel. I'm not on the ground, I'm just above the ground. These are quite comfortable. I got these on sale for 100 rand at Dan's. The only thing that I don't like about these is this thick thing over here. I will have to eventually cut it, but these are quite nice, quite comfortable as well, very affordable, and for 100 rand it was a good deal. And then moving on to my next shoe. Is definitely, you know, the trend. I am a fashion girl, so I have to do and bring the trend. I got these leopard print heels from Shein. And they are so comfortable as well. Kitten heel as well, very comfortable. Very affordable. With that being said, I think I spent about 200 rand. With that being said, yeah, so these are the kitten heels that I got. Very cute, very demure, very classy, you know. So I don't know whether I should break this haul up into, actually maybe I should. I'm gonna do 2 videos. So this is basically the footwear and accessories video, and then I will do another video with all the clothes, showcasing what items I got from Shein. So basically I'm an accessories girl. As I mentioned before, I love bags, I love shoes, I love earrings, watches, you name it, I have it. Let's start with my phone case cover. As I told you, you have to at least try when it comes to trends. I got this phone cover. It's almost like a tortoise shell cover. Quite cute, it's very demure, very nice. I needed an update when it comes to my phone cover. And then with that being said, I'm also going to show you earrings that I got, which are quite beautiful as well. This whole tortoise shell with gold trend is still trending, and I love the fact that you can wear these throughout winter and summer. With that being said, I also got a pair of rings, not a pair but a stack of rings. I'm going to show you. So these are the earrings. Which are quite nice, simple but also nice. You can easily zhuzh up your closet. You can easily accessorize an outfit with these. And I love the fact that there's different, there's like a light brown, there's like a dark brown, and there's like a tortoise shell design as well on these earrings, mixed with the gold, taking your outfit from simple to a bit elevated with these. So as I mentioned before, I got a whole lot of rings, which are amazing. Guys, Shein is doing the damn things. You see? It's doing the damn things. Like, OMG. Like, look at that. Beautiful. I love the fact that it's different designs as well. Oh, but if you know me, you know I'm very dramatic. I love this one. And which else? I also love this flower. If you know trends, you know there's a lot of this flower detail going on. If you don't want to buy into the outfit, you can definitely buy into an accessory, whether it's a ring or earrings. And yeah, basically this is me and my gold stacks. And another thing that I definitely wanted was like a classic timeless watch that I really wanted to add to my closet or my accessories. Besides, when I bought her sometimes wearing like those watches or a smartwatch because you use it to track your steps. But on a good day where you're like, you know what, let me just be dressed up and be a girl. Yeah, wanna look at that. How stunning is that? So this is basically a gold stainless steel watch, and I got this for less than 200 rand, I think. I just need to get a battery for it. I'm not even sure if it has a battery, but I'd like to think that it has. But if it doesn't, I'm gonna get one at value or something. But look at that, it's so timeless. I remember my mom used to have one of these watches back in the day, so it's funny that I am getting like a similar watch to her now that I'm older. So yeah, that's that. And then last but not least, I essentially got 2 pairs of sunnies. These are quite playful. These are quite not your average sunglasses, you know. It's like a bit of blue with the combination of like the tortoise shell, which is on trend right now. It's very much summery, but I feel like you can rock these throughout winter as well. And then I've got these ones, these aviator glasses as well, when I feel like being a baddie, you know. Yeah, so basically this is basically the end of this section. Yeah, so with that being said, I hope you guys are loving the items, and I'm gonna attach the style codes and stuff when it comes to the items that I got from Shein. So these were just basically the accessories and shoes that I'm going to be adding to my wardrobe that I'll be building. And with that being said, we've come to the end of this video, guys. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. See you guys in the next episode.